Hi everybody! In this video I'll be explaining how you can make one of those paper poppers that I should put a video of on your class dojo. It's really easy, not if it's windy, really easy, and all you need is a piece of paper. Now for some of the folds you might need a grown-up because in the last part of the video it does get a little bit tricky, but don't worry, I'm sure there'll be somebody around to help you at some point. Now I'm folding it in half to make this nice thin rectangle. I'm trying to make my folds as neat as possible, so I've gone corner to corner. This is how we start, with just one simple fold in half. Now a lot of paper folding, you need a square piece of paper, like we did for our fortune flower yesterday, but for this one, we've just got a normal piece of paper. Once we've got this, we fold all four corners in to that center line, just here, to make this triangle shape, and we do the same with this one, so it is symmetrical. And then we do the same with this side too. Fold it into the middle, nice neat line. Fold it into the middle so it's symmetrical, nice neat line. I'll go through all of that again. Remember, you can pause the video if you need to and rewind to catch up. Firstly, I took my piece of paper and I folded it in half. Then I opened it back up and folded the corners to the center line, just like this. And just like this. Oh, there's a noisy chicken. Right, once I've got to this stage, I'm going to fold this point over so it touches this point. I'm going to do it from bottom to top, so all of my folds are inside. Really important we are as neat as possible with this when we're making our popper. Yes, I know, noisy chicken, I know. Okay, just like that. Once you've done that, it should look the same on both sides. Doesn't matter which way you fold it, but we're folding it in half. Yes, I know, in half. It does link to our learning. You're right, chicken. Fold it in half. I'm trying to make this middle part quite neat. You can see it's bunching up a bit, so I'm just going to open it up, put a bit more of a press down, and then fold it again. I will feed you later. Please don't be so rude. Honestly, these chickens. Okay, we've got a little bit of a paper airplane situation going on here. Folded in half. Here's the tricky part. This is the part, we've got to open it up a little bit. Yes, chicken, you're right. You've got to open it up a little bit. So I've left half of it, half of my paper airplane shape on the table, and I've got this half here, and I'm going to open it up and squash it down. We make this square shape with one corner cut off here. I'm going to do that again for you so you can see it. Lift it up, open it up, and squash it down. Squash! Okay. Then we're going to do the same on the other side. So I've got this part here, that's sorted out. I flip it over, and then this side, open it up. Trying to keep all the parts neat. Get my hand in there to open it up nice and neatly. That's because this fold's gone a bit wonky. Now open it up and squash it down. Trying to keep it as neat as possible. Making that square shape again. There we go. So it should look the same on both sides. Square and square. I'll try and do that again for you so that you can see, starting from our paper airplane shape. Here's our paper airplane shape. Like this. One side down, open this up, squash it down, flip it over, lift the other side up, open it up, squash it down. We've got this square shape with these two bits down here. These two bits here are going to be the handles of our popper. And all we have to do now is fold everything in half, and that is our popper. Just like that. Now, you can see this section here, this bit. This is the part that's going to fold out and go bang. And that's the part that you need to push back in when it's banged. So as you throw it through the air, this part here will fly out, catch that air and make that clap sound. And then to reload it, you can push it back in, fold it together and hold these handles again. You do have to give it quite a big flick, and you might need a grown-up to loosen it up for you before you start. I'm going to try mine off camera, see if you can hear the bang sound. There we go, that's the first go. It always takes a bit of loosening up. Here's the second one. And I'm going to do one more. And then I fold that. Here we go. This is what it looked like when it banged. And all I did was push this back in, fold it all together, and I was ready to go for another bang. If you're having a go at home, you might need a grown-up to help you make it go bang for the first couple of goes, and you might need to rest your arm after a while because you'll be using it a lot to get this thing to pop. Hope you enjoy this. If you do make one, I'd love to see a photo or a video of it, especially if you're really getting it to make that bang sound. Another amazing toy made just out of paper, so it's not all about tablets and mobile phones. Enjoy! See you soon!